Welcome students. Now we discuss about electrostatic potential energy of a dipole in an uniform electric field. Consider a unit positive charge, that is a dipole, placed in the uniform electric field as shown in figure. That is plus q placed at B, minus q placed at A, separated by a distance 2A. The midpoint is O, as shown in figure. A dipole experiences a torque when kept in uniform electric field. This torque rotates the dipole aligned with the direction of electric field E. The angle is from the dipole initial angle theta dash, another angle theta against the torque by the electric field. So, equal and opposite external torque must be applied on the dipole. That is, the one angle is theta and the another angle is theta dash against the dipole. Therefore, equal and opposite external torque must be applied on the dipole. The work done by the external torque rotate the dipole from angle theta dash to theta with the angular velocity. That is, the work done W by the external torque tau rotate the dipole from theta dash to theta at consider angular velocity. Therefore, W is equal to integral theta to theta dash tau external d theta. Here, tau external is equal to and opposite to tau E. That tau E is equal to P vector into E vector. Already we know P means our value of dipole moment, E means our value of electric field. Therefore, the tau external is equal and opposite to P vector and E vector. Therefore, tau E is equal to P into E. Next, that tau E is equal to modulus of P vector into E vector. This otherwise written as P E sin theta, because our electric field and dipole moment placed in a perpendicular distance. Therefore, tau external is equal to tau E is equal to modulus of P vector and E vector, otherwise it's equal to P E sin theta. Then work done W is equal to integral theta to theta dash, substitute the value of P tau E, P E sin theta into d theta. Here the P E is constant, so we integration term is sin theta d theta. So our integration value of sin theta d theta is equal to cos theta. Then substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Our equation form is w is equal to p e lower limit cos theta dash minus upper limit cos theta. So it's otherwise written as electrostatic potential energy formation u of theta minus u of theta dash is equal to del u. It's equal to minus Pe cos theta plus Pe cos theta dash. If the value of theta dash is equal to 90 degree, so u of theta dash is equal to cos 90. Cos 90, the value of cos 90 will be equal to 0. So this total form will be equal to 0. So our final equation u is equal to minus Pe cos theta, it's equal to minus P vector dot E vector. Since theta is equal to 0 degree, cos 0 value is 1. Therefore, our electrostatic potential energy of a dipole in a uniform electric field U is equal to minus P vector E vector. The opposite negative sign respected to the external electric field.